How to use styling buttons in Squarespace. So in order to utilize styling buttons, we first need to head over right here into our Squarespace website. From in there, proceed to actually go over and click on this website option. Click on styles. And from in there, it should be able to show you in here your site styles available for you. As of right now, we have our themes. We have in here as well our button. So we need to use the styling buttons right here. You can click onto this arrow in order to expand it. And you can choose in here the button packs. We have the primary, secondary, as well as tertiary. You can also expand the button packs available in order to choose the one that you wish to utilize. I'll head over and choose in here this one as my button style right here. So you also have the option to edit it altogether right here and adjust in here the actual option that you wish to use. You can adjust the primary, secondary, and tertiary, add some projects as well as customize the fonts and padding that is added right here into the button pack. So you can head back right there and then you can edit it one by one, change its font, shape, outline, and padding that this has. So that's how you use styling buttons in Squarespace. Hope we helped.